discuss first this one, ratio to trend method. So first, what is this ratio? Ratio is calculating in this way, actual value and then trend forecasted value. I ask you to write down the data set in this way, time, quantity, then it is easy, and then actual, forecasted value, like this. For example, time is 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 16. Quantity for time period 1, what is the one? It is 11, I think. This is 1997 first quarter, 11. Actual quantity is also 11. And what is the second figure? 15?
15. Yes, 15, sir.
Yeah, 15. Actual one is also 15. And likewise, you can fill this number. Then to trend forecasted value, so you have to use that equation because QT equation is 11.90. I don't know. Check this is okay or 3. What is 364? I'm not sure. What is our equation?
394. 394, sir.
394. Okay. 394. So, to get this forecasted trend, so what is the number you need to plug? Yeah, time period 1 for trend forecasted value. What is the number here? 1997 first quarter. What is the number? Number 1. Okay. So, instead of T, you add number 1 here and then get the 1997 first quarter forecasted value. What is that? What is the number here? If you put 1 here, better make it for 2 decimals. The third one is more than 5, you add 1 to the second decimal, then make it 2. Round it up to 2 decimal. You tell me the answer.
0.29.
Point?
12.29.
12.29. Okay. So, others please tell if anything goes wrong. And the time period 2, that's mean 1997 second quarter, you need to add 2 here.
$12.68.
12.68. And number 4, I skipped 3. You have to write all these things. Number 4.
$13.47.
13.47. Number 5 also I need. Number 5 is 1998 first quarter.
13.87.
13.87. Now there's another column should be here. It is for ratio. Ratio. So what is the ratio? Actual divided by trend forecasted rate. This is actual. This is trend forecasted rate. To get the ratio here, you need to divide number 11 by 12.29. And tell me after dividing this one. Eleven divided by 12.29. How much?
895.
0.895. And like this, we jump to fifth one. What is fifth one? This one. I think you have to write very clear table, not like this. Very clearly with the lines and
0.865.
0.865. And so this is number 5. 5 is 1998 first quarter, 6 second quarter, 7 third quarter, 8 fourth quarter, and then you have to get number 9. Number 9 ratio. Number 9 ratio I need.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the equation I got is a little different than what we took in the class. So I got A as 10.4 and B 0.47. So with that, all my other information changes. Now even A is very
as long as
different.
method correct is okay, right? So this is the equation I got. You do it one more time, no worry. As long as method is correct, that's okay. So you will still get the mark.
Okay, right.
So follow the method, but equation will change due to maybe if you enter one number mistakenly wrong, then the whole equation will change.
Okay, sir. The ninth ratio I got was 1.05, sir.
1.05.
Yeah, but it could be a little deviated.
Okay. Number 13 as well.
13, 1.1, sir.
1.1. 10.
Yes, sir, 10.
Okay. Now you see, this is 895 ratio is what is the relevant time period? (1997) first quarter ratio. Okay. And number 5, this number is 1998 first quarter ratio. This one
1999 first quarter.
Correct. This one
2000 first quarter.
2000 first quarter. Now we have ratios for first quarter of each year. Right? Now you know how to calculate the ratio, and then here we are going to take seasonal adjustment. How you can take the seasonal adjustment? Average of ratios for each seasonal period. Average. Our seasonal period is first quarter. You have to take the average. So to get the average, you add all these first quarter ratios together like this, and and 865, and then 1.05, 1.10. Add all these together, so you will get this number and divide it by 4. This is called seasonal adjustment. So can you get this number? Seasonal adjustment.
It's 0.977.
Tell it again. 0.977.
97725.
Okay. So this is first quarter seasonal adjustment. Likewise, you can calculate second quarter seasonal adjustment, third quarter seasonal adjustment, and the fourth quarter seasonal adjustment. You know how to do it now? For example, I have done for first quarter seasonal adjustment. You have to do the rest for the rest of the 3 quarters. Okay, so according to this calculation, it is first quarter seasonal adjustment 8869, but because we limited it to 2 decimal, that's why you got a little bit different number. That's okay, right? So likewise, you get other 4 quarters as well. This is first quarter seasonal adjustment. So tell me the number. 0. Number you just said.
977.
977. And in the same fashion, you can get the seasonal adjustment for third quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and for the fourth quarter. And I'm not guarantee the accuracy of this number, right? I guarantee only the method, right? So you leisurely do it again. Okay, what is the seasonal adjustment for the second quarter? That you are doing? Any question, please? Otherwise, I think that you can do it. If there is anything unclear, you can ask. Otherwise, wasting time.
So we can expect similar questions in the exam?
Oh, that is the question that you wanted to ask?
Yes.
So, we'll discuss those things later. When actually your exam is scheduled already?
It's already scheduled, sir.
When it's going to start?
So we have Econ on
22nd, sir. Econ is on 23rd.
So, 22nd. So, how many lectures that we can do? This is first, 8 and 9. Okay, so, right, we have enough time. Okay. Okay, so I will go ahead with my calculation because no point of wasting time. So after getting the seasonal adjustment, this is how you can adjust the trend forecasted value for seasonal variation, trend forecasted value, you need to multiply it by seasonal adjustment, right? For example, for first quarter seasonal adjustment, we already got, according to your calculation, it is 997, right? So trend forecasted value, you need to multiply it by the seasonal adjustment to adjust the trend forecasted value for seasonal variation. Okay, so let's go to my calculation. So this is my calculation. This is actually a little mistake that you have to correct. This is 1997, this one 1998, so typing error, this is 1999, this is 2001, 2000 first quarter, sorry. Okay, these are the trend forecast value. So we got this one 12.29, 13.87, 15.45 and 17.02, but your one is a bit different. No? We didn't get 17.02. That's why I asked you to calculate it again. So these are the actual data, and dividing actual by the forecast, you will get these numbers, and taking the average. So at the first seasonal adjustment, you get this number, right? But you got 0.997. It's somewhat different here. Even if you reduce this to 2 decimal 1, it should be 0.89. Right? You check it again, you know all the method now we're calculating. Now suppose that, so this is, now we need to forecast 2001 first quarter. 2001 first quarter. So this is our equation. Q equal 11.9 plus 0.394 T. Right? So we want to forecast now 2001 first quarter. So what is the number that we need to plug here to get the trend forecasted value?
17.
17. So here we have plugged 17, and after plugging 17 we got this number. So the trend forecasted value is 18.60. Now we need to adjust this number. Why you need to adjust? Because we notice that even though trend forecasted value is like this, actual values may be like this, right? So say you are taking this number as the trend forecasted value, but actual value may be like this. So that's why you need to adjust the variation. So for adjustment is, to adjust, we are getting the seasonal adjustment. You need to multiply this number by this seasonal adjustment, 0.8869. After you making this adjustment, right, you will get this number, 16.5. So this is the number that we have to take as seasonally adjusted number. Okay. Now I think that everybody understood. If there is any question, please ask. This one is clear for you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. If it is clear, I want you to get this one. So you find, right, seasonally adjusted trend forecasted value, right? I'm not writing here. Find seasonally adjusted trend forecasted value for 2006 first quarter. You got my question? You have to find seasonally adjusted trend forecasted value for the period of 2006 first quarter. Do it now. Okay, I got couple of answers. You know, index number 063 calculated all the four seasonal adjustment, and as the trend forecasted value, I got three numbers, 24.82 from one, and another one 23.47, another one 23.49. So last two is almost similar. Maybe it is correct. Okay. So likewise, you can forecast any number for the future. Any questions? Okay. If there is no any question, so how you can get this one? Just tell me. 2006 second quarter. To get the second quarter, you need to find the similar seasonal adjustment for the second quarter. Then trend forecasted value, you need to multiply it by the second quarter. If you want to find this one, you need third quarter seasonal adjustment. And then trend forecasted value, you need to multiply by third quarter seasonal adjustment. That is the ratio to trend method. And the next one is seasonal dummy. So dummy variable we are using for actual one, or categorical variable. If there is a categorical variable to represent in the regression analysis, we are using dummy. And the qualitative variable also we are using dummy. Here we have 4 quarters. 4 quarters, we need 3 dummies actually. You know, number of dummies should be less than 1 categories. You know, number of categories minus less. This is the dummy. So here the 4 quarter is n is 4, then less 1. So we need 3 dummies, right? So that's why D1, D2, D3 we are taking as dummies. You know, let me tell how to use this dummy, why we have to use 3 dummies, right? So D1 is to denote first quarter, D2 is to denote second quarter, D3 is to denote third quarter, right? Suppose that these are the time period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay. Then so you have to put the key like this. If the data belongs to first quarter, D1 should equal 1, otherwise you write this one, I cannot write here, otherwise D1 should equal 0. If the particular data belongs to first quarter, D1 should be 1, otherwise 0. Okay. Now this is first quarter. So data belongs to first quarter, therefore number here should be 1. The first quarter is not belongs to second quarter and as well as the third quarter. 0. And this is second quarter. What should be the number here?
0.
Number for this place?
0.
0. And here?
1.
1.
0.
0. If the data belongs to third quarter, here?
0.
0.
0.
0.
1.
1. If the data belongs to fourth quarter?
All 0.
All 0. You know. So if all 0 means, you know, it belongs to fourth quarter. This is called base dummy. Base dummy. Right. So because there is a base dummy, we don't want to use number of dummy equal to the number of category. One less than the category is enough. For every dummy, like this, you need to put a key. Right? If the data belongs to second quarter, D2 should equal 0. Sorry, D2 equal 1, otherwise 0. So in this way, you need to prepare the data set in an Excel sheet, and here quantity as well. First one is 11, second one is 15, third one is 12, according to my memory, like this. You have now, this is first column, second column, third column, fourth and fifth. Now, this is our data set. In here, what is our equation is dependent variable Qt. What are the independent variables? Now we have four independent variables, including these three dummies. Right? So equation look like A plus, right? B, you can put D1 T, T is for time dummy, D1T is time dummy, and then B1 here. B2, D2T, even without T is okay, and then B3, D3T plus B4T, actual time variable, this one. Right? So this is one variable, this is another independent variable, this is the second independent variable, this is third. Okay, so now we have the data for all these four independent variables. Okay, after preparing the data set like this, now preparing data set is okay for you? Clear? Any question? You are not responding, that is the problem.
Clear, sir.
Okay, if it is clear, that now you have this data set, you need to find the values for these parameters A, B1, B2, B3 and B4. What you can do for this one? You need to use one of these software, SPSS, eViews, Starter or Excel, right? Whatever the familiar method you can use, input this, upload this data and ask the computer to run the regression for you. So, if you ask computer to do so, computer will give this equation for you. This is the estimated equation for the same data set. This is sales or the quantity, right? So, this is first dummy, second dummy, third dummy and the time variable. Okay. So, these are within brackets T values, right? So, as a rule of thumb, I told you the T value is greater than 2. What is the definition? All these parameters become statistically significant. Remember? So, by looking at these numbers, you can just say without going for hypothesis testing, all these numbers are statistically significant. Okay? So, no problem with the significance of these numbers because all these T value in absolute term greater than 2. Okay. So, what is this? What is this one? Come on. Okay, so no need. Now, I am asking you to take 2001 first quarter forecasted value. using this one. 2001 first quarter. According to the ratios to trend method, we got, I think this one, 16.5. Right? Seasonal adjusted trend forecasted value for 2001 first quarter, 16.5 we got. Let's see how this equation is giving. We need 2001 first quarter. So what is the number that you need to put here?
Seven.
17.
Yeah, 17. And what is the number that you need to put here? The dummy.
1.
This is first quarter dummy. 2001 first quarter, then
1.
1. What is the number that you need to put the second dummy?
0.
0. For this one,
0.
0. And see the number after adding all these numbers. It's a very simple calculation. No? This one no need to calculate, entire thing 0. This one also 0. Only two numbers that you need to calculate. What is the answer?
16.7.
16.7. Okay. According to the
7.5.
previous 7.5. According to the previous method, we got this number. This one is correct, 16.5. Earlier we got. According to the ratio to trend method. And according to the seasonal dummy, this is second method, we got 16.75, almost same. To test it again, you forecasted this one as well. So according to the ratio to trend method, you got somewhat this number, right? 24.48 or so. Okay. So take, according to the seasonal dummy method, what is this number? So what is the number here that you need to use for 2006 first quarter? Earlier you calculated. What is the number?
37, sir.
What is?
37. 37.
37. Okay. And again, this is first quarter, therefore this one 0, this one 0, this one 1. You need no need to calculate this one because answer becomes 0. This one also answer becomes 0. Let's see the number. Yeah.
Twenty-four point
24.25.
25.
Okay. So very small difference between the two methods. Right. So both is equally valid. And I think that seasonal dummy method is rather easy. Right. Less work to do. Right. So any question before wind up the today's session? So this is the last slide, I think.
Sir, when is the deadline for the assignment?
Did I give assignment, right?
You said it verbally, not in a
Okay,
written.
okay. Now today I upload it, right?
Right, okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for reminding. Just now I am uploading before forget it again. I
Thank you,
give
sir.
maybe three weeks to complete it.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Right. So thank you everybody. So take your assignment from the LMS. In another 5 to 10 minutes time, I'll be able to upload it. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.